Welcome to News First. Delhi again in news. A 4 magnitude earthquake struck Delhi and the national capital region early this morning. Tremors were felt strongly across the city, leaving residents scattered. What exactly happened? Why did it feel so strong suddenly? At exactly 5:36 am IST on February 17, 2025, a magnitude earthquake was recorded in Delhi NCR. According to National Center Seismology, the epicenter was in Daula Horn area with a shallow depth of just 5 kilometers. Now you might be wondering, why do this earthquake feel so strong? People felt it strong since the epicenter was directly under a densely populated area. The shaking was more intense, causing panic among residents. Why does Delhi get earthquakes? Fortunately, they have no reports of damage or injuries. The constant movement of these plates creates stress in the Earth's crust. When this stress is released, it results in earthquakes. What are the conclusions and the safety measures? The several fault lines can run beneath this zone. So what do we learn from this? First, always be prepared for sudden tremors, especially in earthquake-prone areas. Second, follow safety protocols, drop, cover and hold during an earthquake. If you feel it interesting, thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Thank you.